Hey, what's up everybody? I am back at my in-laws and we're going to do a follow-up on the side lawn. Remember, this is where I treated the 1,700 square feet with the expert weed and feed for southern lawns. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how it did. It's 1 week after the weed and feed. Let's check it out. So here we are looking at that side yard. Remember, we treated it with the expert weed and feed. And you can see quite a bit of stuff is already starting to die out. Remember, this was all thick and green, lots of oxalis and lots of clover and dying out, burning up. That's what it looks like. It's turning brown, the leaves are yellowing. I would classify this as a success so far. We'll just keep monitoring it and watching it and see how the St. Augustine responds to the feed portion. See if it gets any thicker and fills in these areas. But so far I would say this looks like it works. That is a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to push the like and subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications.